Birthdays are special occasions that everyone looks forward to, and talking about them in English can be a fun way to connect with others. Let's dive into how to discuss your birthday and ask about others' birthdays too. First, when someone asks you, "When is your birthday?" you can respond with something like, "My birthday is on March 15th." It's straightforward and gives them the information they need. You can also add a little more detail, like, "I was born in 1990, or I celebrate my birthday every year with my family." This adds a personal touch and invites further conversation. Next, let's talk about birthday plans. You might say, "This year I'm planning a small party with my friends." Or, if you prefer something quieter, you could say, "I'm just going to have a nice dinner with my family." Sharing your plans not only gives others insight into how you celebrate, but also opens the door for them to share their own experiences. When discussing how you celebrate, you can mention traditions or activities. For example, "Every year I love to bake a cake with my mom," or "We usually go out for dinner at my favorite restaurant." You might also want to talk about gifts. You could say, "I'm really hoping to get a new phone this year," or "I love giving gifts to my friends on their birthdays too." This shows that you enjoy the spirit of giving as well. Now, let's flip the conversation. Asking others about their birthdays is a great way to engage. You can ask, "When is your birthday?" or "How do you usually celebrate your birthday?" This not only shows your interest, but also helps build a connection. If they mention their birthday plans, you can respond with enthusiasm, saying something like, "That sounds amazing. I hope you have a great time." Another fun way to keep the conversation going is to share funny or memorable birthday stories. For instance, one year, I accidentally spilled cake all over my friend's dress. This adds humor and makes the discussion more lively. Lastly, don't forget to express excitement about birthdays in general. You can say, "I love birthdays because it's a chance to celebrate life and make memories." This positive attitude can be contagious and encourage others to share their own feelings about birthdays. So, remember, when talking about birthdays in English, keep it personal, engaging, and interactive. Share your experiences, ask questions, and enjoy the conversation. Birthdays are not just about the day, they're about the connections we make and the joy we share with others.